You are watching the Eternal Beauty Skin and Laser YouTube channel. And today we are bringing you the segment for the month. Our focus this month has been acne and acne treatment. So you'll be meeting our staff and hearing from them on how you can win some free acne treatments. You would need to watch the end of this show because you will get the details then on how you can possibly be a winner if you are someone who is suffering with acne. And so tonight we are going to begin with Lena. And Lena is one of our estheticians, or very qualified, beautiful, able estheticians. And she will talk to you about acne. Lena, thanks so much for staying back here to do this interview tonight.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. So Lena, would you like to tell us what is acne?
So acne is a skin condition that's occur when the hair follicle plugged with oil and dead cells.
And so how does one know if they have acne or if it's a pimple? How would somebody know that this is acne and so they know how to treat it?
So in general, signs of acne, which is the blackheads, whiteheads, pustules, pimples, and zests. So these are the signs of acne. When you start having these, because there's a different grades of acne. There's grade 1 to 4. So starting 1 is mild, 4 extreme. So when you see these signs, that's you have acne, but it's in different grades.
And I've noticed that it's mostly younger people who have a lot of acne breakout. Is this true?
This is not necessary because acne, it comes actually there like with teens and with women or men on their 30s, 40s, and 50s, because acne is not just it's hormonal, and sometimes with stress, change of hormones, and the lifestyle, and actually genetic too, heritage, that cause acne.
Is it easy for you when a patient walks in the door to take a look at them and tell this person has acne?
There is, as I mentioned, yes, it's like because the acne sometimes it shows if you like people when they have like acne with like mild to severe, you can tell with like pimples and zest and blackheads and whiteheads.
Okay, so some rosacea patients, they have a similar appearance to acne. What's the difference visually?
So for rosacea, usually you can notice that they have redness. So how can you tell rosacea? From the redness on the forehead, chin, and the cheeks. So for acne, it doesn't specifically be in one place. It will be sometimes on the jawline, on the cheeks, forehead, chest, and even back.
So with rosacea, you don't get it in those areas?
I don't think so.
Okay, but does a patient with rosacea have the pus? And the
some of them, they have like a severe ones, and these are treated by antibiotics and dermatologist vision.
I've seen some people that look like they have both rosacea and acne.
Maybe it's mixed, just rosacea, not acne. And it depends. So when you look at the skin and see like what's going on, if they are oily, if they have blackheads and whiteheads, and that's one of the things that's like possibly that they have acne too, and then plus rosacea. So.
Okay, so if a patient comes into you with a terrible acne breakout, how can you help them?
With a terrible acne, so as aestheticians, we can grade the mild to like grade 1 to 3. 4, it's not possible for us because it should be under dermatologist. So we have acne treatments. It's help with the break down these white and black heads. So we treat with chemical peels, and we have oxygen that's help with this acne situation.
Have you seen patients here with very active acne, and were you able to treat them and see a change?
So we had a client. They had an acne, and I didn't treat them by myself, but shadow or I watched the treatment that's been done here in the clinic, which one of the treatments was chemical peels and before it was an oxygen.
Did you see a big difference?
Yeah, actually, it's like, so we start with an oxygen, not actually, we start in the clinic an oxygen treatment, and so the follow-up appointment was with chemical peels, and you can see a progress with the treatment. So when you do a treatment for acne, either you have to not just depends on the clinic and on one treatment, you have to do your homework at home, which is use the right product. So you have to give it a time, 4 to 8 weeks, to see improvement and notice the result.
Well, Lena, you were very, very informative. So if you're someone watching this interview and you have concerns regarding if it's acne or rosacea you have, don't hesitate to come in and see us at Eternal Beauty Skin and Laser. We are offering free consultations. So please come in and see one of our informed estheticians, and we would be happy to make a diagnosis and treat you if possible. So, Lena, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything I didn't ask you that we need to add for people to know before you go?
Actually, in our clinic, we don't just provide a treatment just in the clinic. We educate clients with acne how they have to act at home and should be the regimen. So, for example, if you have to wash your face twice a day, and then if you are sweaty, you have to wash it again. If you have an oily hair, you have to wash your hair regularly. And if you don't be under the sun or use sun tanning, because some of the medication or treatments that make your skin sensitive, and then when you cleanse your skin, you have to put the products on your fingertips and wash your skin. Don't use a cloth and don't use any brushes that will irritate your skin. And we have more to provide and advices for acne skin.
So you have to come in. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Lena.
Thank you very much.
And now we are going to speak to Jillian, our nurse, and she is going to tell us about the Cosmo pen, which is used for microneedling and can really make a difference if you've had problems with acne and other stuff, which Jillian will tell us about. Jillian.
Yes.
Thank you for sitting here with me and to tell our viewers about the Cosmo pen. What's the Cosmo pen?
Cosmo Pen's very cool. Cosmo Pen is microneedling, and microneedling is also known as collagen induction therapy. So it's going to stimulate a lot of collagen production. After the age of 25, we stop making collagen. So this is something that's going to trigger our bodies to do that. And essentially how it works is every patient gets their own little sterile tip that goes into the Cosmo Pen.
What does a tip look like?
It's just about this big. It's just round, and it has 8 really fine little needles on the tip. And during your treatment, thousands of little channels go all over your face and neck, and we infuse solutions into those open channels. Based on your concern, we choose a solution, and it works wonders on acne, and there's an acne solution that goes along with it. Most clients can expect their acne to clear up and dry up within about 3 to 4 days. So it's really cool if you have an active breakout or if acne is something you've been battling. And it also treats a variety of other issues. So over a series of treatments, you're going to see pores diminish and shrink. You're going to have a more even skin tone. Your skin's going to be rejuvenated. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. And again, you're just going to get a lot of collagen going. So even months after your treatment, you're still going to have collagen going. So it's a beautiful treatment just to even out and rejuvenate the skin.
Well, earlier we spoke to Lena about acne. So this is another method of treating acne.
Correct.
Have you treated many acne patients with this?
We have.
And what type of results have you seen?
Really, really good results. So people are really happy with their results. It doesn't necessarily mean you're not going to need any other products or any other skincare, any other parts of your skincare regimen. But it's a really nice way to just calm the skin down, dry up the breakouts, and move forward with your treatments.
And I read somewhere where they're even treating bald men with this.
Yes, they do. That requires a lot more treatments, but they do have a solution that will help stimulate hair growth.
How does that one work?
Well, again, it's kind of triggering like an injury response in the body. So it's telling your body, go in and do something, put new skin there, grow hair. So the solution is definitely a part of that, but it helps stimulate some hair growth.
I think that's amazing. Is this a new product? The microneedling, is it a new type of treatment?
So microneedling's been around for a while, but it's very up and coming right now. And a lot of the companies have refined the way that microneedling works. Some people may have heard of things called derma roller and things like that. This is a lot more precise, and the treatment's just come a long way.
And have you used it on patients who have no rosacea, have nothing? They just want to get rejuvenation and new stimulation for growth, skin growth. Have you used it on those types of people?
Yeah, so you don't need to have active acne or active skin issues. You can use this just for anti-aging purposes and to rejuvenate your skin.
What does someone look like after a treatment? Are they bloody? Do they require downtime?
So I usually tell clients there's about 24 to 48 hours of downtime, typically about 24 hours, and mostly you're going to have red skin. The skin will get very hot and immediately following the treatment, so we put a cooling mask on, we put a recovery serum on the skin, and just let things kind of calm down. But usually you have a few hours of hot skin from all the stimulation. And you'll have maybe like a little sunburned feeling. So you'll basically be having redness for about 24 hours. And then you'll actually have some dryness. So you really want to have some good products at home to really hydrate and help your skin repair.
And you tell the patients when they go home how to take care of their faces after a treatment?
Correct. We have a sheet of post-op instructions that we send home with everybody.
How many of these treatments would a person need?
That is based on the concern. So for acne, we might be doing 5 to 7 treatments. For rejuvenation, we might be doing 3 to 6. So it really varies from person to person and their concern. Cosmopen is also great for acne scarring and stretch marks. So that may require more treatments, especially when you're getting into treating a scar. So it really varies.
How does it treat a scar?
So it's putting all these little channels in the skin, and it's triggering an injury response. So your body is then going to go put new skin where these channels have been put in.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's amazing what we can do these days, isn't it?
And this is non-laser. So it's a great treatment for clients that aren't candidates for laser or clients that don't want laser. The pixel laser is kind of similar to what this does because it uses a laser to put these little channels in the skin, whereas this is a non-laser, more of a mechanical way of doing that.
So any and everybody could enjoy a microneedling treatment?
Unless you have a metal allergy, or if you're on heavy blood thinners, you may want to avoid getting microneedling. But other
than that,
is that
because you cause some puncturing?
Well, you might just be more prone to bleeding more excessively.
Okay.
It's not that we can't treat someone who's on blood thinners, but we would want to be more cautious.
Well, Jillian, thank you so much. Is
welcome.
there a question I didn't ask that you need to get the information out there?
One thing we might be adding in the future is PRP, which is plasma-rich protein. And that's something that's also getting popular with these treatments. We actually draw the client's blood, we spin it out, and we extract the rich plasma protein, and we actually infuse that in the face with it. So instead of the solution, we're using the client's own plasma protein into the skin, and it's amazing for acne scarring.
Great. So, Jillian, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job. So if you are someone who has been watching this, you know that you too can qualify. We are giving away a free microneedling treatment. Stay tuned or go to our website and find out how you can enter to win the free treatment. Thanks again, Jillian. And Cynthia has just joined us to talk to us and you about the specials that we are offering for this month. Cynthia, tell me.
Okay, so for our monthly special, what we have offering right now, we have Botox and Dysport. It's $12 per unit, and then we also have our mild chemical peel, which is the luminizer, for $90. And also we have one of our Skin Medica products, which is the TNS serum, for $216. And also all consultations are free. And then we are offering another, it's through Allergan. So if you purchase over $500, you get a free chemical peel. So Allergan, what they provide would be Botox, would be Latisse, would be Juvederm, would be any Skin Medica products.
And fillers.
And fillers, yeah.
So how do they win it?
So the way to win it, you want to go on the website, eternalbeautyskinandlaser.com, and just go under information and fill out the information there, and then we will pick the monthly winner at the end of the month.
And last month we had a winner, right?
Yes.
And that person has already come in for their treatment?
Yes.
So we had lots of entries, and you want to make sure that you get yours in as soon as possible so that hopefully you can be the winner. You know, we put all the names in a hat and we pull one out, and hopefully it will be yours. So Cynthia, what other specials do we have?
So the Wednesday night happy hours, it's, pretty much it's from 11 to 4. Botox Dysport, $12, the chemical peel for $90, and then we do have 10% off all the acne treatments.
So you can come in any Wednesday night and you will be able to enjoy those prices here at Eternal Beauty Skin and Laser. So come in to see us, and beautiful Cynthia will be sitting at the front desk, and all of our consultations are free for any of our treatments, and we encourage you to come in and see us. We're always running specials. We are always giving percentages away. We're new, and so we have lots to offer everyone. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed this month's segment. Hope you learned something from it. Please go to our website, which is unfortunately long because we have a long name, eternalbeautyskinandlaser.com, and just go to the information page like Cynthia says and just fill it out and tell us what you would like to win, and we will get back to you if you're the winner. So thank you for watching us, and we enjoy bringing these segments to you because we're hoping you're learning something from them. Bye.
Bye.